Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we are here because we are going to be unboxing my May Young Living Essential Rewards order. For those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. They have essential oil singles and essential oil blends, but they are more than just that. They offer home products, they offer skincare, health and wellness, supplements, and all kinds of other things. So we're going to dive right into my box to see what I got for this month. I already cut the top of the box open. Inside I have my packing slip, so I'll make sure that I got everything. And this box this month is a combination of essential oils, skincare products, and other things like that. So I'm going to start off with what's on top, and what's on top is the Thieves household cleaner. And I absolutely love this stuff, and this looks like a small bottle, but this bottle lasts me about 6 months. You take 1 or 2 capfuls depending on how strong you want it, and you put it in a spray bottle. And I use this stuff all over my counters, my floors, everywhere. This is definitely one of my must-have products in my home. It's safe, it's non-toxic, and it has the famous Thieves Essential Oil blend, so it smells good, and it you know, just does everything you want in a household cleaner. The next thing I have in my box is the Art Refreshing Toner, and I've been using the Art skincare products for quite a while now. I use it basically as my morning routine, and I love the toner. It smells so good. It says the Art Refreshing Toner gently cleanses without drying skin. The perfect blend of essential oils leaves your face clean and refreshed. And I would agree with that. I just love the way that feels on my skin. I struggle with my skin. I have acne breakouts on my chin and things like that, and I feel like that kind of helps balance my skin out a little bit. To go along with that, I have the Art Gentle Cleanser, and the back of the box here says Art Gentle Cleanser cleanses the skin with a soft, gentle lather infused with skin-loving essential oils. Your face will feel clean and renewed and refreshed with a radiant look. So that is that. This skincare system comes with a light moisturizer as well. I've used that. It's okay, but because my skin is so dry, I feel like I need something a little heavier, and so I tend to use their sandalwood moisturizer as my moisturizer for morning and night because my skin is really, really dry. So they always put your essential oils in these little tubes like this, so we're going to get right into it. And the first essential oil is the lemon essential oil. And I was just getting a little bit low on this, and this is great for the spring and summer months, so I like to keep it around. A lot of people like to put it in their cleaning products to make it smell good, and there's a DIY garbage disposal recipe that uses lemon essential oil. Next is the Thieves Essential Oil, and I get this one almost every single month. It's good for supporting your health and your wellness, and you know, that's a blend, so let me tell you what's in the Thieves Essential Oil blend. Okay, it says the Thieves Essential Oil blend was inspired by the legend of 4 15th century French thieves who formulated a special aromatic combination composed of clove, rosemary, and other botanicals. Thieves is a powerful blend that contains the naturally derived constituents limonene, eugenol, and eucalyptol. And its ingredients include clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, eucalyptus radiata. So I really like that one. So that tube is empty. Next tube is peppermint, and we like peppermint. It goes along with the lemon. We kind of keep this around year round. We were getting low on it. My husband likes to put a drop of peppermint in his shoes, and I do the same just to keep them from getting a little stinky. Just 1 drop per shoe, and it just kind of keeps them smelling nice and fresh. So that's peppermint. And lavender. I think lavender was a freebie. Let me take a peek. It doesn't say on this sheet. Yeah, lavender was a freebie this month if you spend a certain amount of money. So I love lavender. It's probably one of my favorites. Behind Thieves, I think lavender was one of the ones that really got me turned on to essential oils. I just love the smell of it. Right now in my diffuser, I have lavender and orange going, and it smells really, really good. Okay, one more tube. This tube's gonna be tricky. You gotta be smarter than the tube. All right, this was another freebie, Patchouli. It was free with qualifying order. Some people either love patchouli, some people don't like it. It's okay. It is not something I'm going to diffuse just to diffuse, because it has kind of what I would consider to be a spicy kind of smell. I don't want to say manly, but a lot of people consider it to be the hippie oil. So let me read to you what they say about patchouli here. And like I said, you either love it or you hate it. It's okay. I could take or leave it. But it makes for a nice freebie. They say it's great for skincare. So it says, patchouli essential oil may be used topically to improve the appearance of dry skin and as an ideal complement when added to your favorite skincare products. I might have to try that, since I have trouble with dry skin and breakouts and things like that. And it says, diffuse this oil for a calming, relaxing, and peaceful fragrance. And like I said, I don't know that I would diffuse it, but I think I would be willing to try it in maybe my sandalwood moisturizer at night. I don't know that I'd put it on in the morning, because I wouldn't want to smell that all day. Like I said, it just has a kind of a spicy, I think kind of manly smell. But anyways, next, Raven Essential Oil. And I love the Raven Essential Oil. I order it mostly through the fall and winter months to help support respiratory and immune support, because I feel like it really clears the airways and helps you to breathe better. I diffuse it almost nightly. I put half and half Thieves, half Raven, and I really like that, especially if you're feeling kind of stuffed up and having trouble breathing. So let's see what Raven has in it. It says, Raven is a cleansing blend of Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, and other essential oils. Raven creates a cooling sensation when applied topically to the chest and throat. And that's true. It does make a great chest rub. Kind of like when you think of Vicks, you can take Raven and put it in coconut oil and just rub it on the chest and the back to help support the breathing and things like that. So ingredients include Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, wintergreen, and lemon. So it is a good one. I just like to keep it on hand in case you're feeling like you're having trouble breathing. And then the last thing I have in my box is something I have not tried. It was a freebie with my order, and that is a small tube of the Thieves Aromabright toothpaste. I want to smell this. I have not jumped on the non-sudsing toothpaste bandwagon. I just haven't gotten there yet. Smells really good. Looks kind of thin. I'm gonna taste it. Minty. Tastes like baking soda and mint. So this toothpaste is the non-toxic kind that you can use, but I just don't know how I feel. I'm trying to slowly transition myself over to these products that are healthier without the added extras for sudsing and things like that. So, but yeah, let's just check my invoice and make sure I got everything. So I got the lemon, I got the peppermint, I got the Thieves Aromabright toothpaste, I got the Thieves household cleaner, the Art Refreshing toner, the lavender, the patchouli. Oh, I'm missing a lime. Oh, here it is. See, this is why you need to check your invoice. Make sure you're not missing anything. I would have thrown this lime away. So one of my staples for spring and summer is lime essential oil, and I just love to put this with stress away. It smells like a margarita in your diffuser, and it just is so calming and so relaxing. So that was in there as well. Back to the invoice. The Art Gentle Cleanser, Patchouli, and the Raven. So that is my Essential Rewards order for the month of May. And if you're curious about checking into Young Living, I highly recommend it. I've been using their products for over 4 years and I love them. I use the household, the skincare, the supplements, everything. So this month was kind of a mixture of household, skincare, and essential oils, but I love everything. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I will also put my membership number in the description box below. That way, if you're curious, you can use that to get signed up. Members receive a 24% discount. So as a member, there are lots of little perks to being a member of Young Living Essential Rewards, and I get my box monthly, and I just really like the products that they have. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I thank you for watching my video. Have a good one, guys. Bye.